After receiving this parcel, you will get this main machine and all 24 cups. And this menu, please check the menu carefully before you use this machine. And then connect to power and this pipe. That's on and off button. Turn off the button. Choose the cups according to your needs. For example, we use this. Okay, this cups is for massaging and lifting. This button is for adjusting the intensity. Okay. And for this button is for adjusting the mode. For example, this is for face. And that is for body. And last one is for breast. Now we change another pipe and connect these two cups. Turn on the machine and choose the mode for breast. Okay, this is for breast. Like this.